to Hasu and Teju. Today we have a rubber band kit with us.
It's a Loom refill kit. I don't know what kind of refill, but it's just
And she got it as a gift from me. So yeah,
my
today
was like last month.
Yeah, today we're gonna show you how to make rubber band bracelets and chokers. Oh, I don't have mine.
I have mine.
Yeah.
So they give like these varieties, like like these. I just didn't know how to use these, so I just like put them in a braid.
So
those look so cool.
The colors that are there is tie dyes, glow in the dark, glitter, jelly color, and gold, silver, mixed metallics, neons, and more. And then it also comes with S-clips, beads, and charms.
You see like these little cute charms.
So
here we go.
So
whoa, they're like tie-dyes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Stickers.
Tie-dyes.
I don't know why they're stickers.
Yeah, Jane seems so cute.
Okay,
So,
there's
these are like some helpful things that like when you can't like really use your hands, you can just use these. We're gonna show you in the video how to use these. I really love to use this red because it just has no shirt.
There's like almost two. There's a lot of colors that came. These are the charms. Clips.
I love these charms. You know what the most favorite charm I really like? Passing is this heart one that looks so cute.
Okay, and also they came with these, so like when we're not finished.
So there are white and black tie-dyes.
Yeah. I'm working on this one and see, like you could actually tie it onto this so that you won't have to redo it again. So
there's pink and yellow tie-dye. And then there's like American tie-dye, like American flag tie-dyes. Me and Hassini called wait, where did I go? Me and Hassan called this type of one peppermint because it has the peppermint colors.
And these are the beads.
Yeah, and there's blue and purple tie-dyes, pink and purple tie-dyes, yellow and blue tie-dyes. Oh, and there's also miserable tie-dyes. They're like clear and pink tie-dyes. There is like blue, pink, and a lot more.
So there's also these alphabetic beads. And
mixed metallics. There's metallic blue, metallic pink, white,
and
there's glowing pink, I guess. Like,
let's get started. The first type I'm going to show you is a normal one, like this.
So first, you want these are so cool. I just chose all normal ones.
Choose any color you like. I feel like orange.
I feel like...
So, and then take this rubber band and put it in one finger and twist it and put it in the other finger.
I feel like...
so it's like this.
Pink and...
So it's like this. And then take another color. You can choose the same color if you want. So I'm going to take a teal and put it in like this without doing this. So, and then just bring this like that. Just get it out of your finger. Like this. Keep going on. You can, I'm just gonna do back and forth, but you can choose any color if you want.
And the next time, don't twist it.
Yep. From then on, don't twist it. You only twist it one time.
Okay, do you just want to make a ring so that you can just show them how to make an S-clip? Like, tie it.
Sure. And then if you want to use this, you can just, I'm just not going to use this. I'm going to use the yellow. So I'm just going to do it like this.
So you just have to do it like, just like a rubber band, but you have to like open it wider. To like, it has to be like tight.
And then just do the normal thing.
And then keep going on.
Yep.
Until the end.
Nope.
So until she finishes her bracelet or ring, I'm not sure, I'm going to teach you how to use these.
So yeah, keep going on.
So while she finishes up, I'm going to teach you how to use beads in like, bracelets, chokers, or a lot more. So first, you might want to pick any color you like. How about?
Can I use your hand for a second?
Sure. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna use Glow in the Dark purple to have some glitter in it, and I'm gonna use some pink here. So I'm gonna use a purple. Remember, just like Hasu taught you, you have to twist it, and then take another rubber band and do not twist it like this, and then take it over and put it just like that. Oh, and here's another technique. If you want to make a ring, you can just do this. But for now, I'm going to make a choker or a bracelet. I'm going to take another purple because I want to make this in a pattern. I'm going to take this and kind of like here. And then I want to start on the bead. Now I'm going to use purple and pink beads because I'm making a purple and pink rainbow. So there's like so many different shades of pink. Like, see? That one's like pink, and this one's like type of orangey, and that's like light pink. So let's open it and see. Okay. Oh, whoa. Be careful you don't spill them. So I want to use this type of purple. So purpley. And then this type of pink, like the dark shade pink. I hope I can get it out without spilling these. So I took them out. I'm gonna do this in a pattern. So I need pink again here. So here we go. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. And this looks so pretty. Now I need another purple. Now let's start to the beads. First I'm gonna put the purple in like this. So you have to keep the rubber band inside the hole, both ones, like this. Be careful. And then kind of like scooch it in the middle somehow. And then keep it just like the normal rubber band. So here so far. And then take the pink and just do the same, but just try not to like keep the rubber band right on it. Keep it like in the sides like this. And then I'm gonna take another pink and put the pink on, pink bead. Oh, and have you noticed, this is so hilarious. Like the purple goes onto the purple bead, and pink goes, and then I'm gonna use another purple. It's like so light. Okay, and now keep it on there. Be careful. And cool. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, so just do the same like you did to the other bead. And then do the same with the other. I'm gonna do this in a pattern because I kind of like patterns. And yeah. Okay, be careful. So when you put it in, try not to like twist it like this or something. You have to like not twist it and put it in like that. So put it in and do the same. It's just like a one more band like she taught you. And then boom, beads on. And then just keep going on until you're finished. For then, Hasu's gonna teach you how to tie them up with an S-clip. Okay, so let's take an S-clip. You only need one. Clip it on like that. So I clipped one on, and then I'm gonna take another one and clip this one on. Only on one of the sides. Then take the first one, the first rubber band you did, and do it on the other side. So it's like this. And you can just do this. Voila! I'm still continuing. And if you want to use a charm, I'm gonna put a charm on. I'm gonna put like this one, but I'm gonna take it off because. So I'm gonna put a charm on to one of these. So how you put it on is you have to take a rubber band. Well, I like to do it in the middle.
So, sorry. So, right here. And take this and put it on like that. And you get the charm you want on this rubber band thing.
Alright, so keep doing it. Remember what she taught you? Do not twist it all so here's the fun part. Only twist it in the first, then don't twist it for the whole entire bracelet. So here we go. So you can make friendship bracelets maybe with these, but these are so cool. So yeah, I'm gonna use one of those now. Just hook it on here. And just keep it. And then hook it like that. And take it up, unhook, and do the same. So this is how you use that. I really like to use this red one because it's just so tiny hooked. So yeah, but mostly I use my hand. Oh, be careful if your blood doesn't get caught like mine right now. Since I make these a lot, my blood gets caught. Can I please take your measurement? Yeah. So, one more it goes. Now, escort time. Can I please have an escort pocket? Thank you. Check them out. Now, let's hook it up. So, hook one. Hook the second. Be careful. Okay. Here it is. Now, go on to the second side and put it right on. I get it. Not good to do that. And then hook and hook. And there you are. One beaded bracelet.
This is easy.
Ooh, easy.
And then this one is a little hard because it's a fish braid.
So this is so easy to make and it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really love the colors I chose. I should totally make one more.
Okay. So let me show you how to make a fish braid now. So I'm gonna choose pink. I always want to make a fish braid. So just do the same thing. Cross it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to choose the same color because I like to do it 2 times in order to get this. And do this. But then you have to, instead of 1, you have to do 2. Like this. And then take the last one and bring it in.
No more twisties.
And then from now on, before you do this, you should always see 3 things. So there's already 2, so I see 3 now. So take the bottom.
No more.
Put it in.
Do not twist it
again.
So
and then I only see 2, so put another one and put it in. So keep doing it until your hand fit, like the bracelet fits your hand. This might take a little longer to do.
And takes a little bit more rubber bands than you think.
Doing like this, then the fish braid should form like this. So now I completed this fish braid. Let's tie it. This is kind of hard to tie it, but I really love this. Okay. So you should end up with 2 of these, not 1, 2. So we have to hook these 2, and then this part too.
So it's kind of the same, but there's 2 to hook on.
Yeah.
So going to the end.
And hook this on the other because there's 2 on the escalator. So our fish bracelet is ready.
That's so beautiful.
But I feel like it needs a charm.
So here are the charms.
I'm gonna put a charm on it.
I can't see this. This is so pretty. Can you make one for me?
Ooh, I'm gonna put this one on.
It's a heart.
Yeah.
You used all the hearts.
I always loved this one. And I get to use it.
The most thing I like is here basically everything. Except this, because I have no idea what this is.
It's ballet shoes.
Ballet shoes. Oh yeah, if you turn it kind of like this way, it's like ballet shoes.
Okay, so this is how it looks like. It looks so pretty. So, this is the end of our video. So, hope you liked it, and also don't forget to try it out. So
thanks for watching. If you like this
video,
please
like, share, and subscribe. Bye.